What's up everyone, and welcome to the Boyers YouTube channel. In today's video I am on my trusty 2020 KTM 1290 cruising around the farm. This is actually back at our June event, the 2Wr Adv event. And for those that are not familiar with that event, I'll go ahead and tag up a video from that nice June event and the full scope of what we were riding. But here we come out to some private property and are cruising around a little ADV loop that we laid out. Grass track loop, just getting everyone a little bit more comfortable on the off-road style, beyond gravel and beyond the public roads. There's definitely a few benefits from riding this aspect of it, and you don't need a full loop. Just having something you can practice in your yard, or maybe if you don't have a yard, a buddy that'll allow you to use it. You're really not going to tear it up too much, but it's all about getting comfortable on your motorcycle. From getting into the different ride modes, ABS on, ABS off, traction control on, traction control off, different power modes. A lot of these bikes have so much technology in them, and a lot of people don't get to play around with them too much. And if you are playing around with them, a lot of times the first time you're doing that is on a public road that could potentially have a lot of traffic. So we laid out this great loop just to get people more comfortable on sliding their bike a little bit. It's really at a slow speed. On this track, you can't get up too crazy, and that allows for more of a safe environment. There's no cars coming, there's nothing coming the opposite way as you cruise through these fields. There's nothing kind of too much in the way there, and that's the goal, is just making sure that people feel more comfortable on their bike, and that leads to safer riders out on the road. It's the same concept with street bikes, right? I always encourage people that if you're getting a new bike, start getting comfortable in a parking lot and turning and braking and playing around with it a little bit more, just so you're in that more controlled environment. So I had a request from one of the riders just to kind of post this full loop that we did. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of cruise around the rest of this loop, and I hope everyone enjoys it. And if you want more information on the Two-Wheeled Rider events, I will link the website below. We'll be announcing our 2023 events before long. And it's a lot of fun playing with these big bikes in a controlled environment, getting used to kind of skidding around, playing around with the grass. Definitely play around with different conditions. You can get some wet grass, some dew in the morning, and getting out there and riding and just feeling how the bike reacts and getting more comfortable in it. At the end of the day, you just want to feel one with your bike. Growing up riding dirt bikes my whole life, it's a whole new animal riding these adventure bikes more off-road. And I think you learn something new every time and get more in tune with your bike. It's a lot of bike to be thrown around, so it's important to be very in tune with it, especially since you ride with these, on public roads. The last thing you want to do is overshoot a turn or cut in a turn short and there's someone coming around the bend. So being able to put your bike where you want it to and knowing the stopping distance on, non-pavement roads is key to success and safety. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and finish out this ADV loop. I hope you enjoy the rest of the loop.